Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Kalshi work fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi Fi? Can't load markets, orders don't go through, or just spins? Here's the fix. Go to your settings app and then find your connected network and at the top. Then tap the letter I in a circle on the right side of your network's name. Here, tap forget this network and confirm. Toggle the Wi Fi off at the top. Wait for about 10 seconds and turn it back on. Your network will reappear, tap it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears the broken system that was blocking the app from reaching its servers. After reconnecting, reopen the Kalshi app and try again. If it still fails on this Wi Fi but works on mobile data, go to settings, then go to general, scroll down to Wi Fi VPN and device management and check if any VPN shows as active. Kalshi is a CFTC regulated exchange and blocks VPN connections for compliance. Even a background VPN will prevent it from loading. Disconnect anything listed. So, all you gotta do is go to settings, Wi Fi, and forget the Wi Fi and reconnect fresh. Check VPN and device management. Kalshi will be working on Wi Fi, and that's it. Subscribe.